Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for an update on Nasdaq's U.S. ETF business is Giang Bui, head of U.S. exchange traded products at Nasdaq. Giang, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks for having me.
You got it. And active semi-transparent ETFs open the door for greater product innovations. Explain to the audience what they allow investment managers to do and the advantages for investors.
Yeah, sure. So active semi-transparent ETFs are actively managed ETFs that are only required to disclose their holdings on a quarterly basis, similar to mutual funds. They allow active managers to take advantage of the liquidity and operational and tax efficiencies of the ETF wrapper while protecting the proprietary strategy behind their investment process. The structure is an innovation for active management because it brings together the benefit for ETFs and mutual funds, and now investors would have another vehicle choice to gain access to their investment strategies.
Has Nasdaq launched any new active semi-transparent product?
Yeah, so Nasdaq recently launched the ALPS Active REIT ETF. It's the first ETF to utilize the Blue Tractor semi-transparent model, and the Blue Tractor model itself is one of the 6 semi-transparent ETF models approved by the SEC, and Nasdaq supports all 6 of these models. We expect the actively managed ETF space to continue to gain momentum this year, and active semi-transparent ETF will be the strong area of growth. We're talking to various new issuers who are looking to enter the ETF space, as well as existing issuers who are evaluating semi-transparent ETFs for their lineup.
Are you continuing to see strong demand for ETFs, and where are the areas of interest for investors?
It's been a strong start to the year for ETFs with over 250 billion in inflows so far, more than triple same time last year. So we might have another record year in the books for the ETF industry. So in addition to the actively managed ETFs that we just talked about, we continue to see strong demand for thematics or megatrend ETFs, as well as fixed income or options-based ETF for income generation or risk management. And another area that's garnered a lot of interest, and I've seen a lot of great coverage on your show, Jill, is cryptocurrencies and digital assets.
Yep, definitely a hot topic for the Trade Talks audience. So Giang, to wrap up here, what is NASDAQ doing to support issuers when it comes to digital assets?
There's been a lot of exciting things happening across NASDAQ as it relates to digital assets, such as our upcoming direct listing of Coinbase or a recent launch of the NASDAQ Crypto Index. We're hearing a lot of demand for the asset class. Brown Brother Harriman recently released our global ETF survey, and cryptocurrency is amongst the top 3 ETF strategies that ETF investors would like to see more in the market. So we've been talking to a number of different issuers on different product ideas to provide exposure to the digital asset space, and NASDAQ's committed to supporting issuers in navigating the regulatory framework and advocating for product innovation.
All right, Giang, appreciate the update as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.